Welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. It's summer season and it's mango season. So today I've bought a yummy sweet delight using these mangoes. We will be making a cool recipe and today we'll be making mango Falooda. It is very easy to make at home. So let's begin with this recipe. Let's see the ingredients for this mango Falooda. Here we have mango ice cream, and instead of mango ice cream you can make use of vanilla ice cream also. Here are sabja seeds or basil seeds, and I've soaked them in water from last 2 hours. And here is mango pulp or mango puree, and in case if you don't get pure mango puree, you can use of mango crush also. Here are a few dry fruits, cashew nuts and pistachios. This is fresh mango. I have chopped it into small pieces. Milk. Here this is chilled milk, and milk is optional, but in Falooda milk tastes very nice. And here is sev. This is the regular sevaiya which we make kheer, but instead of this you can also make use of Falooda Sev, and the recipe for making Falooda Sev I have already uploaded, and you can see the link in the description box below. Also you can check my royal Falooda recipe. Now to this glasses, first we'll be adding this mango pulp or mango puree at the bottom. Now on top of this we'll be adding this sabja seeds. And while making this Falooda, you should remember one thing, that all ingredients should be chilled so it tastes very good. Now gently we'll be adding this milk. Now we will top it with some Falooda Sev. Now the color of the sev is little brownish because these are whole wheat flour sev and also they are roasted. I'll add 2 scoops to each of the glass. Now on top of this I'll add some chopped mango pieces. And now it's time to add our nuts on top. And our mango Falooda is ready.